Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have items I purchased from Echo Park, Spellbinders, and Hero Arts. So let's get started. So from Echo Park, they had a really good warehouse sale. And one of the first items that I picked up was this National Park 2026 calendar. Now I know we're in July, but when I saw the prints for this calendar, I just fell in love. They are so beautiful. So my plan is to cut off the month and just use the pictures, a couple of them, maybe in my craft room, maybe a couple in my cubicle at work. They're just so gorgeous, and I couldn't resist. So look at this one from June. Look at that. That is beautiful. I hope I'm in camera. This is Arcadia National Park. It's the current month. Look at Death Valley. Look at that road. That's crazy. And we have, did I skip one? Yeah, Sequoia. Great Smoky Mountains. It's just beautiful. Joshua Tree. And last but not least, Arches National Park. So this was really inexpensive, and I just think great quality and size. So I'll pick that up. And then I picked up some sticker sheets and a few sheets of paper. So let me share with you the sticker sheets. So I got this one. It's called Flora, and super pretty. I'm not sure why I picked this up. I guess I was attracted to it. Doing some late night shopping. Things look really good late at night. This is the Gather at Home. This is Cartabella. So cute. Look at the little Volkswagen. This floral is beautiful. This is Wish Upon a Star. This is by Echo Park. Of course, with the Disney theme, but not saying Disney. The next one is Love Notes. This is another Echo Park. Super cute. And what I like these for, especially when I'm making giveaways for work, you know, I could just get a brown paper bag and maybe add some other die cuts or something and then add these on there. Super easy. Here's one called Be Mine. This is Cartabella. Super cute. This is really pretty. Hope you're seeing it in film. Here is Bunnies and Baskets. This is Echo Parks. Love the colors. And then some Halloween fun, which is called Halloween Fun. And this is from Cartabella. This is so cute. Look at that little girl. Adorable. This is like my favorite one. So cute. Hocus Pocus. Look at this cat. And then this is Ghost and Goblins. Eek. Element stickers. These are from Echo Park. Really cute. Look at the little ghost. So adorable. Yeah, he's so scary. So cute. Magical Adventure. It's Echo Park. Really. Look at the old school camera. Cassette tapes. All the fun stuff. This one is called Santa Christmas Delivery. This is Echo Park. I love this Merry Christmas. If I could just get a whole sheet of those, I would really like that. Super cute. Then I picked up a few sheets of paper. Let me turn it so I can see the name. This is Halloween. This is by Cartabella. Kind of spooky, huh? And then there's the back. And then we have Echo Park Spooktacular Halloween. So we got the, you know, goblins and witches and Frankenstein and vampires. Super cute. This is Echo Park again. And that's the back side. Got a couple of sheets of that one. And then this is called Ghost and Goblins. This is Echo Park. And this is just straight up adorable. Look at those little ghosts just having a good time, flying all around. Got 2 sheets of this. I wish I, oh no, 3 sheets. I wish I would have gotten more. And then I like the back side of it. It's called Boo Eek Ghost. Super cute. And then this one is Celebrate Christmas, Echo Park. Just thought this would be cute for any last minute cards that I may have to make. I only got a couple of sheets. And the back side is really interesting with these kind of like geometric type trees. And it's called Cold Outside. So that's from Echo Park. And then from Spellbinders, sorry, I had to reach across the room. I got a few dies, and this is the little blooms. Kind of goes with all the other blooms that, we have, but it's little blooms. And there's mini blooms in spring. Sprigs, I'm sorry. One of the things I like about this little bloom is that a lot of the greenery is just one die, which I love that. And then this super popular one, Color Block Accent Arches. I was kind of on the fence about this one. I've seen it on a lot of the crafters on YouTube share cards they made. And I kind of, once I saw some that had made with the black and white, like for Halloween, I really liked it. And then to go with this one, this is Essential Arches. So you cut this out and then you put it on the Essential Arches and you're ready to go. And then this die set is Nested Tree Frame. Super cute with the little funky tree, or just this frame seems to be real popular. And then from Echo Park, I picked up the monthly superhero. I had seen everyone use this set and it was sold out. So I put my name on the wish, if it comes back on sale, to notify me, and they did, and so I purchased it. Got it really fast too. So I don't have many items from Hero Arts, which is actually Spellbinders now, owned by Spellbinders, and they give you this little sticker or just a little paper. I thought that was so cute. And then a little picture of one of the main stamp die sets, and then the colors for the July palette. So you get this really cute embossing folder, and it's called Arch Tile Embossing Folder. It's cute. And then this stamp set, or Arch Tile stamp set. This is all from the July 2026 superhero set. Then you have this one. It's When Life Gives You Lemons. So you can do a little patio scene. I don't know what that is. Is that a truck? I don't know. That goes by the window. I don't know. It has a die set. And then the stamp set is called Squeeze the Day. Like that, every day is a fresh start. You are the zest. Don't get me tarted. Sending a big squeeze. Life is good. Squeeze the day. And it has the coordinating die set. And then this is the one that it's on my list creating with all the other things that I can't wait to create. And this is called Let's Ride. So it's a little girl on her, a female on her scooter with her little dog. Little dog too. And look at the dies. Lots of dies, but that looks fun. I was watching one of the creators here on YouTube put this together, and if you're not a person that loves to put little die cuts together, she made it look so easy, but I love doing that too, so I can't wait. And then you have the citrus frame. This has 11 cutting dies, so you can make the frame, and then you can add the different layers on. Super pretty. Only thing I didn't like about this was the flowers. They kind of look wonky to me, but they are what they are. And then you can make a shaker with this citrus shaker die set, the lemons. You can cut out the little lemons and use them in your shaker bits, as well as some little florals. And then they also have provided the paper, which is the July color palette, I guess. It doesn't say how many sheets you get of this, but this is a cute set. all about the lemons. So I look forward to working with this. So that's my haul. Thank you for watching. Oh, there's one more thing that I want to share with you. Something I picked up off of Amazon. So I buy a lot of stamps because I mail cards out. So I was having a hard time keeping my stamps together, and I had them in this little thing that I made, and then it was getting old, and so I thought, well, maybe if I could find a little photo album. Of course, you can find almost anything on Amazon. So is this not adorable? So all my little stamps are in here ready to be used. I just thought this was the cutest thing. I have plenty of room to, when I see new stamps, which I love buying stamps. I'm such a geek. And, you know, still have room to grow. So if you're needing a little cute way to store your stamps that, you know, you're not saving, that you're going to be using, I recommend checking out Amazon for this adorable, adorable photo album. So that's all I have for you today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, you may consider subscribing. Thanks for to all my current subscribers and all the support I get on this little channel of mine. Thank you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.